Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Are you guys looking to change the way you eat? Maybe trying to cut some oil? Well, this is a good product you're looking, and this is called Ninja Air Fryer AF100, and this one has quite a few functions which I really like. And first is it has this one touch control panel, which is pretty easy, and the cleaning up of this one is much easier than the other ones which has like a French door or anything, because you really have to go inside and clean with your hand. This one you just take the whole thing and put it in a dishwasher or hand cleaning. Is pretty easy, and the capacity is pretty large enough for what I need and what my family need. And it has 4 functions available. Air fry, you can cook chicken in there. By the way, we're going to cook tandoori chicken in there, so please keep watching till the end. And it has a roast feature, which makes easy if you want to roast your veggies and this stuff. And it has a reheat feature, which is good for pizzas and all the stuff, and a dehydrate feature if you want to gently remove moisture from like veggie chips or jerky or dried fruits, things like that. So that is pretty good for that. Now when it comes to dimensions, it's, as I said, it's not too big, but definitely not too small. As you can see, I have medium-sized hands. I can put my whole hand inside, and it's pretty deep. If you want exact dimension, it's about 8 inches, or almost 9 inches actually, about 3.5, almost 4 inches deep. So which is good enough, as I said earlier. Now let's see what this other feature this one has. So this one will take about 50 watt, so 1550 watts it will take, which is less than a conventional oven and much less than gas oven if you're looking for that, because gas ovens are really big and stuff. The only thing they mention is you have to preheat about 2 minutes before you do anything, and most of the time I find it's pretty quick. If you wanna let's say reheating pizza, before you removing pizza from your refrigerator, just hit the preheat button and it's ready for you. And same thing, now we're going to cook tandoori chicken in there. So let's put the chicken in there, and as it's marinated and no oil at all, so that's a good thing. We just marinated it with all the spices and all stuff, and we're going to see how it comes out without any oil. So that is something I really need to see. It's my first time I'm going to try this. I hope it comes out good. Now I also tried idli in there, and I'll be posting video for that if you want to see that, how you can make your idli in this one and what kind of settings do you need. I will show you that also. For the chicken, what I found is about you need 300 Fahrenheit temperature and about 30 minutes, and so good enough. If you wanna cook something which you usually fry, let's say fried chicken, then I would suggest you go over to 350 and for 20 minutes, and that's just leave it in there and done. No oil, nothing, and it comes out pretty crispy and clean. So now we just put it in, and it's showing 34 minutes remaining, and then we're gonna come back how it comes out. Here you go. Okay, it looks pretty cool. It doesn't look too dry at all. Let's see if it cooked. Yes, it is cooked deep inside. It's, as you can see, it's nice and juicy first of all, and it's cooked well on the top and evenly cooked, so that is a big plus. And let's see on the other side looks nice and juicy, and so it means the technology, the air fryer technology, working from all sides of the food you put in there. So guys, I think I'm gonna give it a big plus, and I really like the way it's cooking, as well as the taste of the chicken came out pretty nice. So if you guys have any question, please leave in the comments below, and I will be happy to answer all your questions. And if you have any comments, please leave them also, and please hit subscribe button and hit the like button also. Thank you. Bye bye.